What's up, Body Warriors, and good morning. Welcome back to another vlog, another episode. Hitting up sunrise here this morning because it's finally getting to a reasonable time to get up. It's about 10 to 7 at the moment. And I'm joined by a little friend. Hey. Do you want to introduce yourself? This is Smolly. This is one of our first outings actually outside of the house. So starting off with some high expectations. If you didn't know already, I've got a puppy. I've probably shared this on Instagram. Actually, I say share, I've spammed this on Instagram. And I didn't want to be that person who got a dog and then made videos about said dog, but just look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. She's also muddy and a little bit hyper at the moment. She's busy chewing leaves. There'll be more videos of her later. Now, if you watch any videos on the channel, you'll know that I love dogs. There's always dogs in various videos. The old days, there was Barley, and then Archie, you're 5. He's more recent. And then there's Belle, which is the newest addition. So these dogs were always my parents' dogs. I didn't really consider myself responsible enough to own a dog, and plus I was doing a lot of traveling before the whole virus thing, teaching workshops in America and throughout Europe. But since really that has happened, I haven't been traveling basically at all, and it kind of looks like that's going to continue for various reasons, which is a bit annoying. But on the plus side, there's a puppy. So, if you do happen to care, her name is Molly, and she is a working Cocker Spaniel. So she'll be used as like a gun dog. But she's not going to be, she's just going to be used for cuddles. She's only 8 weeks old at the moment, so she's very much early stages of a puppy. She can't properly go out for walks or interact with other dogs, apart from like the ones we have here. But yeah, expect to see lots of Molly in future videos. So many dogs. Oh, let's go. Why is there so many dogs? Why are there so many of you? So it's been a couple of weeks since I filmed the beginning of this video, and she's definitely gotten a bit bigger. Yeah, I realised the video was just like, I don't really know where this one was going, apart from the fact that Molly is ridiculously adorable, and I just kind of wanted to share that with you. I've also been kind of ill, you can probably hear that. Not with the virus thing, with another thing. But I'm back to doing some sort of training again and trying to get back to doing more of this vlog style content, and I'm sure there's going to be lots of it with dear old Molly in the frame. So I really wanted to kind of ask you a question, you the viewer, if you happen to give a shit, and that's like, what do you want to see? Obviously I want to share stuff. I want to share this one and apparently all the other dogs. But yeah, I just kind of haven't quite figured out how that's gonna look. What do you reckon? Consider this kind of a new season when it comes to the vlog style, the more relaxed sort of content. I think the sort of 6 to 8 weeks that I've ended up taking off doing the second video on a week has been really helpful, but I'm actually really excited now to get back into it and share some different stuff. So just want to hear from you. Any suggestions, any requests, and I'll do my best to make it happen and want to, you know, have fun making content again. Just looking forward to it. I'm sure video editor James is also looking forward to it as well. But that is basically it. I'm gonna do a little doggo handstand session now. And apart from that, if you enjoyed this one, thumbs up button, support the channel. Right next to it is the subscribe button, join for season 2 of the random vlog style content that ends up being on this channel. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a strong week. And peace. Actually, wait, Molly can do the piece. Yeah, say bye. No? Hey, what's this? Oh? Gyroscope going on here. Gyroscope? Let's say bye. Maybe not.